Hi, to enter Fastboot Mode on Google Pixel Watch 3, firstly we need to turn off watch by pressing this crown, like that, so we can see this part of menu. From here, simply tap to power off your watch, and when it be completely turned off, you need to wait 30 seconds, and then you need to press and hold crown again, as well as this part of the screen, so in the down right corner and in the upper left corner. So you need to hold it like that. Let's hold the crown first till we can see Google logo on the screen. And now we need to hold those two dots. So as you can see, we just entered Fastboot Mode, and here we can find instruction how to navigate through this mode. So we need to press side button to move down and crown to select. Let's press side button, and now we can find Fastboot options. So to go through the menu, use your side button, which is located right here. And now let me just describe to you what each of the mode does. So device info is to get information about the device, of course. Start is to start the system, so return back to your watch face. Recovery mode, to enter recovery mode, in which you can factory reset your watch, for example. Here you can reboot bootloader. Now you can power off to turn off the device completely. And with this last feature, barcode, you can display the barcode of the device. So to go back to system, you need to find and select start option and press this crown to confirm. And that's it. Now you'll see Google logo on the screen, and your watch will turn on itself just in a couple of moments. So that's all for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.